lento siyikhuluma sithi abantu bokufika bangcolile, abantu bokufika benza izinto ezingalungile, babulala abantu, banike ingane ama-drugs. Manje sebe namahikimini, sebekwazi ukubulala umuntu wase-South Africa ngoba ne-tuck shop, babulala umuntu wase-South Africa ngoba nakho ezama, ngoba bona befuna ukwenza i-tuck shop. And lama-tuck shop abantu bokufika, amaSomali nama-Pakistan, lama-tuck shop abo akuwona wabo, awama-wholesalers. So we are coming for those wholesalers. Anikeza ama-Pakistan, angabanika abantu abanyama. Bafanele banikeza abantu base-South Africa the same stock abayinikeza abantu with the same percentage and same take-off. Yeah, kakhulu. Angithi uyabona ukuthi how can you come from a country where there's a fight in Bangladesh and then you come to South Africa? After 3 days you have a big supermarket, you have a big container full of stock. Where did you get them? You ran away from the country because your country's got problems. But all of a sudden you got a big shop, you got shop chain stores in South Africa. Now we have found out that the wholesalers and cash and credits are the ones selling that stock in lezi zinto ama-tuck shop ama-Somalis. Angeke siwavaleke lama-tuck shop. Into esizoyenza kuzophuma umuntu wokufika, kungene umuntu wase-South Africa, and then the cash and carry ekade inikeza umuntu wokufika sonke lesi stock with that percentage, with that price cut, sizocela ukuthi kwenzeke kumuntu wase-South Africa.
Aba bazokhokhela bazokungaphezela ngalokho
Oba
laba bokuhamba.
no, azange afike nalutho, akahamba yekela kuba angithi uyasebenza uyibekile imali, akahamba yela kuba now we are occupying those shops because by right, by law, somebody can't come from Bangladesh, can't come from Somalia to run a tuck shop. Tuck shops are for South Africans. It's not xenophobia. They can push the propaganda until they die. But we are telling the truth. We are talking about the law. We're talking about the constitution of the country. No, sizoyiqala because le ama-cash and carries lithi intsha besingazitshela ukuthi lamaSomali akwazi ukuthi uma efika endaweni athathe wonke ama-tuck shop, siyibuze ukuthi bayithathaphi imali yokufaka la, asiboni nokuthi bathengaphi. Sesitholile ukuthi ama-cash and carry okuyiwona abanikeza isitokwe beno-zero amount in their bank account. We want them to do the same for South Africans.
Ukhuluma nge-deadline yokuthi baphume baphele la
June 30, that's our deadline. After that June 30, then we will see what we want to do. But we've given everybody enough time. From March last year, we said by June 2026, everybody must be out of the country.